I know it hasn't been long since my last Itabag video, but I managed to get my hands on some new Emma merch. They're from a seller known as YY Kawaii. You can find them on Instagram or on their website. I'll have the links in the description. I also decided to update the background as I got some green funky foam and some little ribbon that has these holes in so I can clip things onto them easily. And so it was time to take down everything I worked on last time. Using badges in Itabags is something I wouldn't recommend because trying to pin it through fabric or foam is a pain in the neck. I then glued the funky foam onto the background that I made last time. This is a really hard card so it won't bend, sort of like cardboard but even stronger. I was unfortunately a bit dumb and didn't put the card in the corner of the foam, so I wasted a bit of foam. Not like I'm going to use it for anything else, but wasteful. I then cut the lacy ribbon to size and secured it with duct tape. I also glue gunned in the centre of each ribbon to make sure that it was secure in the middle and wouldn't bend. It was then time for the long and painful task of putting the straps and badges on the board. I cropped most of it out because it takes a surprisingly long amount of time, especially considering how fiddly some of these badges are. I also cut out little paper hearts from the pictures of Emma that I printed out earlier and stuck them on. After putting it in the bag, I realised it was a complete and utter mess and spent the next 10 minutes trying to rearrange it. During that time, I also managed to stab myself through the finger with a badge. Real fun. After ages of trying, I finally came up with something I was happy with. Unfortunately, that feeling didn't last. This time I cut out a paper heart to make sure everything would fit. And it actually worked! A few of the badges and straps still don't like to stay in place, but overall I'm really happy with it. If I have to do some rearranging every now and then to make sure everything's still in the right place, that's fine by me. Thank you for watching, bye!